In this next reaction, we're reacting this alkene with bromine. So there's not a lot of difference in this and when we reacted the alkyne with bromine. So what happens is we add Br2 across that double bond. When we do that, one thing to keep in mind is that the bromines do add trans. So if we draw just our skeleton here, our double bond was at this position, we get a bromine added here, and a bromine added from the back because they add opposite to one another. Now, you really didn't need to draw in this bromine going back because this isn't a stereocenter. However, we do form a stereocenter here. We also, in this process, would form the other enantiomer with the bromine pointing out back. This bromine we can really just draw in using a line. And these two are enantiomers. In this question we have a two-step process, and this is basically a Williamson ether synthesis. So we have this alcohol and we're reacting it with sodium hydride. Sodium hydride is not an acid, it's a base. We have sodium plus and H minus. So the H minus acts as a base. This H minus deprotonates this OH to give us an O minus intermediate. Okay, once we have this, now we have this alkyl chloride, and we can just do an SN2 type reaction. That can attack there, and we lose the chlorine. What we're adding to this oxygen is two carbon groups, so an ethyl group. So don't accidentally lose a carbon there. We have an oxygen, and we have two carbons. 1, 2, 1, and 2 to get added. And this is the product of that reaction.